So, I'm even embarrassed to talk about this, but we made the biggest mistake of this construction, and it ruined my week. It ruined all my plan. I'm really embarrassed. It almost looks like sometimes I make these mistakes just for a YouTube show, but it's not true. I don't make it on purpose. It really depresses me. Elijah, he's laughing, and he was laughing at me. Uh, oh my God. So, yeah, I'm not happy about it. So what happened? What do we do? We had this joist. I mean, my mistake, 100%. It looks, this joist, right? It's a web joist from Triforce. I guess, I say I do research all the time before I do anything. But for this one, I didn't do any research. I thought it was simple, straightforward. And so what happened was, there's obviously a bottom and top. It looks universal, you can flip it. So they write, and I saw it by accident at the end. It was by accident that I saw it, but it was right in front of me all the time. If you notice, over there, I don't know if you can see it, it says bottom. Now, those we flipped. Obviously, they don't do big writing, big red writing. They don't do that. They just write it black, and that doesn't bring attention. This is how they write it, and I didn't see that. So all this have to be replaced, and it took us about half an hour to remove this plywood. And man, now because we'd already done plywood before, we know next time we do this a little faster, but it took to remove it a lot of force. It's glued, a lot of force it took. So we'll see. We keep you posted. I started this thing and I gotta get it going. There's no other option but to get it going. So I'm gonna post this on Facebook and on YouTube. Please, if you're watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comment, share, all the kind of stuff that would help me grow. I think I'm getting around 155 subscribers now, and hopefully I will grow. And I'm trying to share my experience. I was in the rain all day today. It was raining. I'm trying to meet on Saturday. My cousin is coming with his friend, so I have to keep up. I have to speed it up so I can I can meet certain points and finish this off by this weekend. So we built a bridge here, and then we built a bridge over there too. So yeah, things go, things sometimes go wrong. What can I say? Yeah, these mistakes cost me money, but it's still worth it. Frustration, tired, still at the end, it's worth it. But challenge, it's a challenge. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.